Hey guys, we're out here in the Sand Flats area. We're going to take the Polaris RZR 570 out on Hell's Revenge. Never done this, so it should be fun. Woohoo! Oh. Thank you. That's the lazy way.
Well, here's where that Crown Vic had footage going on.
Oh, I know, that was awesome. I want to rent a Crown Vic. Hit it. Look at that view, guys. That is an awesome view. Highly recommend, even if you don't ride, is come out and get yourself a Polaris for the day and check out this view. And it's a scary trail, intimidating if you've never done it, but not really that difficult. These things will climb anything.
I have, she hasn't. Oh my gosh!
Look at that climb, guys. It looks scarier when you're sitting in something so low. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Really good? You've done this before?
Yeah, second time now.
Yeah, we rode the bikes during the rainstorm last night. Have a good one. Ride safe. Yeah, guys, if you have a 570, get the Fox shocks. That's what brother-in-law put on his RZR here, and it's awesome. A lot smoother than it used to be. Oh yeah. It's like we're not sitting high enough to see over stuff.
Oh, that's what's scary.
Ooh. Yeah. Maybe. It's like a little goat.
What do you need a Jeep for when you've got a RZR 570?
Yep, much cheaper than a Jeep too. Even new. Yep, so we're heading down to Hell's Gate right now, to the bottom. And there's the tour. Hell's Gate.
The river overlook up there.
Oh, okay. Guess we'll have to come back on the bikes. Couldn't see it. So this is Hell's Gate?
This is the way down.
Oh God. Okay, now I'm scared.
Oh come on, I came up it on the dirt bike.
Yeah, but anyone can come up it. Now I don't feel as bad. Okay. Wow. The intimidation factor is pretty great, especially as a passenger and you're not in control.
Do you want to drive?
No, you're doing wonderful.
haven't killed me yet.
Oh yeah, here's the up.
That's okay.
Yeah, yeah. So now we're gonna go up Hell's Gate, I guess.
Hopefully. I slipped off the wall.
Yep.
See, it's that freaked us out on the dirt bikes.
Oh. Polaris 570, you can do it. A little further. Possibly. Nope, nope, nope. Can we right ourselves, you think? Oh, be careful. Here, I think he's gonna come and we're...
Had to try it in the 570 just to say we tried to do it.
I seen you guys drop in. I thought I'm gonna go see if they're out.
You want me to try to get out?
Let's see. I think if I get it back a little bit further, that side's gonna drop down.
You think that side will drop down?
Your side will drop down.
You want to just creep back?
Yep.
I'd keep your arm in though. I wouldn't want to break that thing.
Sometimes I think it just doesn't have enough S to stay on the wall where you need it.
Yeah.
I think
I'm going back out the entrance.
It ain't a whole lot better.
No, but it doesn't have the deep groove in there to slide into.
Yeah.
and that's kind of a killer. Okay, right here. Basically almost out, so even if we have to winch. Whoa! Okay, 570 can come out the entrance to Hell's Gate. Don't try Hell's Gate though. Go, go, go.
Yep, sometimes you just let off the brakes and roll on into it.
Andy, look at me!
Okay, so we're gonna try one of Hell's Devil's hot tub dealy boppers out here. I don't know which one's which. This is the smaller one. Really? That's not the straight approach.
Yeah, but it's better than theirs.
Yeah, I'm okay with this. That's not bad. After trying the Hell's Gate. Okay.
I couldn't let the gator show me up.
Okay.
We did try Hell's Gate, but
God, that looks scary. You know it has to ramp, but Jesus.
it is pretty steep.
It is steep. Just don't be vehicle out of control. They'll close this down.
I did check the brake condition on this before we left.
That's probably a good thing for these steep.
There was next to nothing left.
Oh, awesome.
On this spot.
Yeah, this spot's always fun. On the bike. And then now here's our corner. The shit corner. Yeah, straddle a tire. Well, I don't know if you're that wide. That line would have probably been the best. We're not going to be able, it's going to tip that way.
Well then, I guess we don't have a choice, do we?
Yeah, you got plenty of room. It's just going to drop off. Strain your tire out.
Huh?
Strain your tire that way a little. It's not falling off the edge. Here we go. Now we're gonna level. Now my direction. Now we're gonna slide off.
It's gonna fall off of this ledge.
Yep. There we go. Just let it roll.
Yeah, the same on the ground.
There we go. Made it. A little gnar. And on the bikes, we have so many line options.
Well, at least on this, we have more than a 1000. They just get a softer ride.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's ramp. Oh yeah, I always like this one.